Hello everybody, my name is Tusko and today another video, Axie Infinity, and this time I'm not going to comment as much as I normally do, so just enjoy the game. Sometimes I cannot control and will say something. Stop blocking the view with the cards all the time. When I'm playing, I do not notice that I'm doing this, but when I watch back the videos, it's really annoying actually. Sorry about that. Bye-bye bird. Bye-bye bird. Bird, I'm What you hear in the background, by the way, is traditional Irish music. This is sung in Irish Gaelic. I play Irish music as a hobby. That's why. When I'm playing Axie Infinity, the battles, I always have Irish music in the background, actually. Not always, but most of the time. Easy to make mistakes in the endgame and ruin everything. And you see, I cannot shut up. I cannot. Well, that's the game. I hope you enjoyed it, learned something from it. I always learn when I watch back my own battles. And see you in the next time. Have a good one. Bye everybody.